picked up a wireless courtesy door light for the Chevy model. This is pretty cool because you can actually pick it up for every single model, and there's some cool ones too. I'm hoping there's an Avengers one too, but let's get started. So within the box you're gonna have the 3M tapes, the 2 sensors, and then the 2 lights. So the way it works is every time the sensor goes over the light, it turns off, and then when it's not on the sensor, it'll turn on. So first thing you gotta do is take it out of the box, open your door, try positioning it all the way on the right, and then once you feel comfortable, take the 3M off and put it. So one thing you gotta make sure is while you're putting it, you wanna raise it just slightly so the sensor can go on the bottom. So just play with it and make sure that it's just above, that it doesn't hit the sensor. So once you're satisfied, take the 3M off and then stick it in. Next thing you want to do is actually take out that little sensor piece that they have, place it on the bottom, and don't stick it yet, just place it on the bottom, open and close the door, and make sure that the light is turning on and off fine. So once you're good with the position, then take the 3M off and put the sensor in. Now do the same thing on the other side. Take the 3M off and just stick it in. Exact same procedure. Make sure the positioning is good and it is not hitting the door. Take the sensor out, put that into, and then test it out. Super simple way, and this looks really dope. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.